Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have a special treat there for you. Your word of the day is affirmation. Leo, my kings, my queens, affirmation, confirmation. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength said you have elevated your strength, your wits, your knowledge, and you're ready for everything that you actually want. They can trust you for the things that you want are not in vain, but also not going to help you, your people, in the entire world. You have leveled up. So as we say on this page, as you write down on a piece of paper what you want, skip no lines, right on the sides, the front and the back. Make sure you write all your wants and your needs. Leave no space, because where there's space, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength have to fill in that spot. And therefore you may get something you're not really asking for. It may not be anything negative, but it may be something that you're not really asking for to make things more adventurous for you. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. I assert my power and I assert myself and retain my power. I'm brave. I'm gentle. I do not have to be afraid of others because I look out for them, and I respect myself. Therefore, I'm respected by others. You love yourself and respect yourself. That's how you teach others to love and respect you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.